What are executor responsibilities when instructions are unclear? Imagine being trusted to handle a loved one's estate, but the instructions left behind are not crystal clear. It can feel like navigating a maze without a map. When an executor faces vague or confusing instructions in a will or estate plan, their role becomes more challenging but still grounded in important duties. The main goal is to act in the best interest of the estate and its beneficiaries while following the law. First, the executor needs to carefully review the will and any related documents to understand what the decedent wanted. If the instructions are ambiguous or incomplete, they cannot just make decisions on their own. Instead, they must stick to what the documents say and seek guidance if needed. The first step is to consult a qualified probate or estate attorney. An attorney can help interpret in clear language and advise on the best legal course of action. Sometimes, the court can be asked to clarify the instructions through a petition. This is especially helpful if the executor is unsure how to proceed or if the will is vague about certain assets or distributions. Open communication with beneficiaries is also key. Explaining the situation and keeping everyone informed can prevent misunderstandings and reduce conflicts. The executor should document all decisions, conversations, and legal advice received. This record-keeping is important if questions or disputes arise later. It is also vital that the executor remains neutral and fair. They must avoid favoring one beneficiary over another and act prudently at all times. Even if they believe a different distribution might seem better, they cannot change the will's instructions without court approval. If the instructions are too unclear to follow confidently, the executor should seek a court order for guidance. The court can interpret the will or provide directions on how to handle specific assets or distributions. In the context of African American families planning for retirement and estate transfer, clear instructions help preserve family legacy and financial security. Sometimes, family dynamics or limited legal resources can complicate matters. Executors should prioritize working with trusted legal professionals, communicating honestly with heirs, and understanding how their decisions impact future generations. When instructions are not straightforward, patience and proper legal steps are essential. Acting carefully, seeking legal advice, and involving the court when necessary will help the executor fulfill their duties properly and protect the estate for everyone involved.